beautiful people. I was talking to a client today and she said that she was able to get approved for the Sam's credit card, you guys. So I added that to the list because they can pre-qualify you all without a hard inquiry. So if you want to find that Sam's credit card, what you want to do is you want to go all the way down to the bottom because I added to the pre-qualification. So let's go all the way down. Oh, here you go right here. So the pre-qualification, no hard inquiry. And go down some, the Sam's Club credit card. Click right there. Now, they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, and they're going to be with Synchrony Bank. She said that she got approved for this one, $1,000 limit, and then she also said she was able to get the care credit. Both of these cards under Synchrony Bank. So if you find that you're able to get the Sam's Club credit card and you're also able to get the care credit or any other credit cards with Synchrony Bank, then if I were you, I would Google credit cards under Synchrony Bank and try to get more credit cards with them, because that means that they like you and you have a greater chance of getting approved. Now with this one, they have the store credit cards and they have the MasterCard too. So you have to be a member to be able to get these the credit cards. But once you become a member, you can just go ahead and sign up, become a member. You remember your member number because you're going to need that to pre-qualify. But once you become a member, then try to see if you can pre-qualify basically. And you can get a $30 statement credit when you open a new account with them and make a $30 purchase within the first 30 days. So let's see how to pre-qualify first. So if you want to pre-qualify, scroll down to the bottom, see if you pre-qualify, click right there. And like I told you, you're going to need your member number. So put your member number in, put your first name and put your last name in, and then go ahead and click next. Now don't forget, you guys are going to be able to pre-qualify. So see if you pre-qualify for the Sam's Club credit card. Get a decision in seconds without an impact to your credit bureau score. So that means it's not going to be a hard inquiry unless you accept it. If you accept it, I'm pretty sure they're going to pull your TransUnion credit report and it's going to be a hard pull. It's not going to be your soft pull. So with the Sam's MasterCard, you're going to get 5% back on gas on your first $6,000 per year. Then it's going to be 1%. You're going to get 3% back in dining, and you're going to get 1% back on all your other purchases. Now understand too, this is only for the MasterCard. So they have just a regular Sam's Club credit card, and then they have the MasterCard. So with the Sam's Club card, you can also use it at Walmart. So if you guys shop at Walmart, you like me, you like Walmart, then you guys can use this at Walmart. So Walmart have their own credit cards, but you can also use this at Walmart. So I really like that. Now you can go ahead and just click apply now and just apply regular. But I always tell people, if you can pre-qualify, definitely pre-qualify, because they can tell you yes or no. I like that. Yes or no, whether or not they could possibly give you a credit card without getting that hard inquiry. And then they also have the business application too. So if you want to print the application and apply for it, then you can definitely do that. But let me know if you all get approved for this credit card. And don't forget, I know I have the Sam's credit card here, but there are so many other credit cards that can pre-qualify you. So you got the Capital One, you have Navy Federal, you have Discover. And you can see where it says pre-qualify, no credit check. So you have those there. You also have Credit One, Mission Lane, Wayfair, Tumo, the Apple credit card. You can also pre-qualify for an American Express credit card. So I really like that. Now, let me go down to that care credit, because I told you all about that care credit. Here it is here. So the care credit, you all can pre-qualify, no credit check, secured and well, that shouldn't be there. It shouldn't be secured care credit card. I need to edit that. But it is definitely unsecured. Now, for the care credit, because the person I was talking to, she said, well, the care credit looks like one that I only can use at certain places. And that is true. You only can use it at certain places. So what you want to do is you want to put the category on where you want to use it at. So if you want to use it for cosmetic surgery, cosmetic treatments, dental, eye exam, eyeglasses, LASIK. I told you I had LASIK before, and if you check my channel, you can see my LASIK experience, and I mean, it's really raw. You see everything. So if you want to get LASIK, then definitely check out that video. If you want to do something for hearing, for the vet, weight loss surgery, and then other. So you can pick what you want to actually use it for and click get started. And with this one, you can pre-qualify for this one. So you're able to pre-qualify, and then they got special financing on certain qualifying purchases over $200. So you're going to get an instant decision, and they can pre-qualify you again with no impact to your credit bureau score. So it's not going to impact your credit score at all. But you want to go ahead and put your last 4 digits of your social in and put your phone number in and click continue. And when you do that, they'll let you know if they can pre-qualify you. But this is another credit card that's with Synchrony Bank. So if you are able to get that Sam's Club card, then definitely try to get this one here too, because this one could possibly give you a higher limit. Even if you're not looking to get any surgeries or anything like that, this can help with your utilization, especially if you're using too much on certain credit cards. This can give you a higher limit credit cards to help with your utilization. But definitely, if you're able to get that Sam's Club, try to get this one also. And I added so many credit cards here that can pre-qualify you without the hard inquiry. So somebody asked me today too, Rickita, which one should I apply for? I heard you was talking about credit cards you can get without if you have a bankruptcy. And I tell people, if you're looking to get a credit card, just pre-qualify for these credit cards, because you never know, they may give it to you. So like the Milestone, the Indigo, the Prosper, Destiny. I even have some loans on here that can pre-qualify you all. And I was talking to that same person that got approved for the Sam's, because I was talking to them about that Lexus credit card. A lot of people's getting pre-approved for that Lexus credit card. Now it's going to be I'm gonna have to update the link for this one. I guess too many people have been using it for the Lexus credit card. But let's see if the Toyota one is still good. Nope, they don't want to use it. Let's see, Toyota credit card. I still want you guys to see this one. A lot of people probably been pre-qualifying. Last time I visited was in May. And maybe I got to update my link. Oh no, they saying they have an outage. Oh, wow. Okay, maybe you can come back and apply for this one. But I actually got a notice like this too, which is kind of strange, from Wells Fargo. When I was checking my account with Wells Fargo, they said, hey, we see that if your balance is different, then it's something wrong with our system. We're working to fix it. But maybe come back. I thought it was something wrong with my link, but I see there's nothing wrong with my link. It seems like it's just a community bank thing that they're having an outage. But a lot of people have been pre-qualifying for that Lexus, so you may want to try that. You might want to try that Toyota also, because they can pre-qualify you. It's the same company, so I guess they still got that same outage, which is strange. Let's see if some of the other ones have an outage. Tempur-Pedic. Okay, this one doesn't have an outage, but you can pre-qualify this one. This was actually issued through Wells Fargo, so I'm guessing since they're not under that same company, they're not going to have that same outage. But just try to see if you can pre-qualify for a lot of these different other credit cards, especially if you're looking to get additional credit card. Try to go with companies that can pre-qualify you without that hard inquiry. And I even have loans on here too. So if you're looking to get personal loan, these companies, they pre-qualify you for a loan without that hard inquiry. But hopefully this is helpful to you guys. Hopefully you guys will actually get approved for that Sam's Club credit card. Make sure you're looking under pre-qualification credit cards and click right here to see if you can pre-qualify. Put your member number in, put your first and last name in, and then go ahead and put in the rest of the details that they're requesting. And hopefully you all can pre-qualify for it. If you guys get approved for it, definitely let me know in the comments. And let me know other things that you want me to put on my All Things Rickita link, because I'm updating this based off of what you are requesting. So as a bonus, because you made it to the end, the video for tomorrow, I'm actually working on it now, is the balance transfer. Somebody asked, hey, what's some companies that do balance balance transfers. And so far you can see I'm still filling it in some, but I'm going to finish filling these in for you all. But since you're at the end, then you can go ahead and check this out early. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know other things I can add to the All Things Rickita list. Thank you.